Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? So nandito tayo ngayon sa Festival Mall, kasama natin yung ibang Lanon collector just for us to have some fun. So we brought out the kids and nandito tayo ngayon sa Pixie Forest to enjoy and do some little arcade gaming. So ito nyo naman, marami agad na mga palaro for the kids, and some of them are very kid-like and kids-friendly na mga games. So as you can see, not compared with other arcades. So pangbata talaga yung team ng part ng mall na to. So meron tayong Bounty Ball, which is tinry natin kaso hindi tayo nanalo. And other than that, maraming klase ng games din dito. So it's a typical Tom's World, to be honest, but may iba pang part or side yung Pixie Forest. Pero dito tayo masyado nag-focus since the kids are here and they want to play some games in this area. Tsaka malapit kasi siya sa palitan ng token. So ayan, some of the other game is this. I think this is a squid or sea land or sea thing where you shoot fishes and such. So good for family game din yun. And as you can see here, may mga other arcade type pero pang bata. May mga spin the wheel, color wheels, pero of course much kid friendly yung team niya compared sa other arcades. So ayun, may bag pang naiwan. Mga lodi, be responsible with your stuff. Kahit na pang batang place, baka mawalan kayo ng gamit. But anyway, so going back, ito yung talagang kinakaliwan even ni kuya na tatay na nung bata na naglalaro. So nandito sila kasi again, malapit sa palitan ng token. So here's Grambo and Jim and Rose. So nagpapapalit na sila ng tickets. So medyo mabilis lang kami rito. Well, ilang oras din pala. Pero mabilis lang kasi hindi mo mamamalayan. Ikot sila ng ikot. So hiwa-hiwalay rin sila. So medyo marami ring token yung nakuha ng mga kids. And then yung nakuha nila, Grambo is smiling, Jim is smiling. So overall, it's a fun experience. So magpapalit tayo para makauwi na tayo agad. So ayan na, nagpapapalit na kami. Okay daw, approve, sabi ni Jumbotron. So ilan yung tickets na nakuha nila? It's 539. So ano kaya yung makukuha nila dito? But very small amount lang yan, sabi ko ipunin. Pero I don't know, gusto na nila magpapalit. So ayan yung mga choices for this particular Pixie Forest na arcade na place, and maraming pagpipilian. So overall, this is a good place for kids. Visit them in Festival Mall. So ayun lang guys, na-share ko lang. See you guys later. See ya.